Do you love yourself? Do you take good care of your brain and your body? Did you know that there are 7 habits that could damage your brain? You may not be aware that you are making these habits every day. Do you want to know about this? Watch this video and find out. Hi, welcome to Soul Joy Arena, and in this channel, we will talk about relationships, marriages, love, sex, and much more. A habit is a routine behavior on which most of us depend. Some routine, seemingly innocent behaviors can be so harmful that they can permanently harm the brain. The brain is the most vital organ in the human body, but we often forget that it also needs nutrition, exercise, and training to be healthy. Thus, maintaining a healthy brain requires developing good habits and abstaining from the following bad ones. We frequently view our bodies through our minds when considering our health. The brain, which directs all bodily functions, is frequently overlooked in favor of other body parts. Some of your daily habits are ruining your mental health, and you must not take them for granted. You want to know about these habits? Let's get started. Number 1. Lack of sleep. For many busy professionals, getting insufficient sleep is a significant problem. Lack of sleep can lead to various problems, including extreme daytime drowsiness, depression, and memory loss. According to a report published by The Guardian, at a more advanced level, sleep deprivation can overstimulate certain parts of the brain and even result in permanent brain damage. The brain's capacity to remember new information can be hampered by even one night of poor sleep. This is likely the cause of any temporary memory loss you may have experienced, such as getting lost on the way home, forgetting your phone or wallet, and being unable to remember where. Lack of sleep causes cognitive problems. Certain brain cells die when people don't get enough sleep, which makes it more difficult to remember things later. Lack of sleep can also result in brain cell death, which slows thinking, hinders learning, and affects memory, concentration, judgment, and decision-making. Number 2. Smoking. The impact that engaging in this habit has on your brain is probably the worst. Smoking has numerous detrimental effects on your brain and lungs, and even heart diseases. In certain regions of the brain that control balance, coordination, and both fine and gross motor skills, smoking harms cell membranes and neural viability. Additionally, it thins the cortex, where functions like language, memory, and perception occur. Additionally, it can result in issues like dementia, Alzheimer's, and possibly even death. Number 3. Drinking alcohol. Alcohol starts to impact a person's brain as soon as it enters the bloodstream. A healthy person's liver quickly filters alcohol, assisting the body in getting rid of it. However, excessive drinking causes the liver to be unable to filter the alcohol quickly enough, resulting in immediate brain changes that are commonly known as intoxication. When consumed for more extended periods and in more significant quantities, alcohol leads to chemical imbalances. Chronic alcohol consumption also reduces brain volume. Men and women experience brain damage in slightly different ways, but age and alcohol consumption both accelerate the loss of brain tissue in both sexes. Alcohol consumption that exceeds 2 units every day for men and 1 unit per day for women is deemed excessive. Number 4. Stress. Everyone's life includes stress. Life inevitably involves some level of stress from work or family. A healthy way to express stress is to finish work on time or win a competition. However, when stress exceeds your tolerance level, it interferes with your brain's ability to function normally and leaves you depressed, angry, irritable, and sleepless. It is time to seek counseling or remove yourself from stressful situations if you frequently experience one or more of these feelings. What do you think about these points so far? Please share them in the comment section below. And hey, if you are still new to our channel and you love our topics, please consider subscribing so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Also, give it a thumbs up as this will allow YouTube to show this video to more people. Thanks! And now, let's continue. Number 5. Overeating. Indeed, too much of everything is terrible. Even overeating can cause damage to our brains. If the brain is not functioning normally, we have a tendency to overeat, and vice versa. Overeating causes brain damage. Overeating causes cholesterol plaques to build up and the blood vessels in the brain to thicken, which reduces the blood flow to the brain's neurons. This may seriously harm the brain's capacity to function normally. It has been discovered that obesity causes Alzheimer's disease. Overeating results in obesity, which harms our sense of self and self-worth and can result in depression and other psychological issues. Number 6. Not reading enough. Reading is a good habit for your brain. Not doing it enough may result in serious effects on your brain. Reading improves the connectivity between the brain circuits responsible for reading language and stimulates many high-functioning brain areas. Therefore, if you consistently put off reading, you could accelerate the decline of your cognitive abilities, particularly your verbal abilities later in life. Reading can work to prevent dementia as well. And when dementia did strike, those who couldn't read experience worse symptoms. Pick up those books and your mind will be grateful. Number 7. Consuming too much sugar. So how does overeating sugar affect your brain? You might be wondering. The body's ability to absorb proteins and nutrients is compromised when sugar is consumed excessively and for an extended period. This occurs due to the body's inability to adequately deliver nutrients to the brain, which inhibits the brain's growth and development due to an inadequate supply of nutrients in the bloodstream. Sticking to antioxidant-rich sweets like dark chocolate and raspberries would be a much better choice for your brain and waistline, as overindulging in sugar can impair your memory and cognitive function. It's always advised to lead a healthy lifestyle, and your top priority should be maintaining your mental health. Keeping your brain's strength, health, and happiness is essential. Your memory, learning, mental toughness, and the health of your brain could all be improved with a few minor changes in how you live your life. Now that you know the habits that could damage your brain, what are you frequently doing? Tell us in the comment section below. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you know more habits that you can add to the list? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.